Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to search in Zoho Mail in 2025 using the smart filters to quickly find any email, contact or attachment step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for mail.zoho.com. Now, if you have successfully logged in over here, you will see your profile icon in the top right hand corner and this tab of Access Zoho Mail. So you need to just click on it and you will be landed inside the dashboard of your Zoho Mail account. Over here, you will see this search icon here in the top. So you need to simply click on it. Here in the search bar, you can type any keyword, any email address or the subject line, and then you need to press enter. Let's say I type welcome over here, and if I hit enter, it is going to show you all of the results with the exact same keyword in it here on the home page. So to narrow your search, you can also just click on the filter option right next to the search bar, and here you can filter it out with the help of the folder from or to addresses, the date range or the subject line, or even with the help of the emails with attachments only. If you want to search only in your inbox or the send folder, you need to simply just hover over to the left hand section and click on the folder first. For example, if you want to search for any email in your draft, simply select draft, similarly select sent or the trash option. Then you can use the same thing here in the top. You can search for that particular keyword and it is going to show you the results based on the folder only. You can also type certain commands over here, like you can type from then colon and the email, and you can also enter this command, that is subject colon invoice, or you can also add it like has colon attachment for faster and more targeted results. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.